You're gonna love the 2021 Dodge Challenger. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Dodge Challenger, the monstrously powerful, unapologetically comfortable, driver-focused muscle car that positions you to lead the pack. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. Experience the edginess of high performance with attitude in the Challenger. Take it out on the road today.